Ang pinag-uusapan natin, what is all over the news, na minomonitor ng lahat ng ASEAN countries, minomonitor ng trade attaches nila, minomonitor ng labor attaches ng iba't ibang bansa para makita ang Pilipinas ba, ano ba values nito? Marunong ba to sa diplomatic, hindi lang niceties rules to and everything, Mr. President. That's why, kaya humaba yung discussion, simple lang ang tanong ko Official duty ba ng isang general maglabas ng caricature ng Pangulo ng ibang bansa? Kasi obvious ang sagot doon, hindi. Hindi sagot doon na kung ano sabihin ng Malacanang. Maraming sinabi si Duterte na sinabi ng Congress before, mali yun. Di ba? Hindi naman natin sinagot dito sa Senate na basta't sinabi ni Duterte, tama. Basta't sinabi ni Arroyo, tama. Basta't sabihin ni Pinoy, tama. Hindi. Kaya nga may Senado May check and may balance. So pag yung isa sumobra, pag sumobra Supreme Court, may check. Pag sumobra Congress, may check. Pag sumobra ang executive, may check. Second, you have to look at the character, demeanor of not the office of the President, but the President himself. The President himself, hindi niya style to call out employees in public. Hindi niya style yun na ikaw tama, ikaw mali, di ba? But everyone knows na mali na tirahin mo yung Pangulo ng isang bansa with caricatures na naka-uniforme, general ka pa. So, can you imagine, Mr. President? I'll give you an example. Si President Trump at yung North Korean President. Kasagutan sila. They went to name calling. So tinawag ni President Trump na rocket man. Sumagot din si Kim Jong-un, no? Walang problema yun, Mr. President, kasi official yon. Kasi pag ginawa ng Pangulo yung international affairs, susunod na yon. So kung may mga opisyal ng gobyerno na sinunod si Trump at tinawag siyang rocket man, which I think the White House spokesperson, I'm not sure the Secretary of State if they followed, but then nung nagkaroon ng meeting sa Singapore at nagkamayan sila at umiba yung asta ni President Trump, he was still firm, he still drew the red line, but hindi na niya ina-Alaska ang Pangulo ng North Korea. You expect na everyone beneath him toes the line. Sa atin nakita nyo naman po, kumakamay, lumapit ang Pangulo. Was that APEC or ASEAN, di ba? Just so that ma-communicate, may dispute tayo pero neighbors tayo. Di ba? Para ma-dispute, walang personalan to. For whatever purpose, I admired President Marcos for going near the Chinese president. And then may general ka, ganito nangyayari, tapos hindi kayang sabihin ng Senado, mali. So the gentleman from Pampanga expects the Senate to say na mali ang Chinese ambassador sa pakikisagutan kay Senator Risa sa kanya, pero wala tayong wherewithal, wala tayong pakialam, sabihin sa isang general, boss, mali ka naman kasi. So, hindi pwedeng pag senador, meron tayong immunity, mas mataas tayo sa iba, pag tayo tinira, rest back agad ng Senate. Pero kapag ka-general, tama naman yung 99% niyang ginawa, kaya yung 1%, sabihin na lang natin, official din yon. Simple lang po tanong ko Is it in the performance of his official duty? Ang bigat po niyan kung sasabihin natin yes. It will ripple not only through our military, but it will ripple in time. It's being watched by students who will be our future diplomats, Mr. President. So I cannot stand here and accept na yung mali pwedeng maging tama. Again, Mr. President, if it is rhetoric, president to president, we're uncomfortable with it, but it's part of the negotiating. So President Trump does that a lot. But once na tumigil siya, once na kamayan na, tigil na rin lahat nung nasa ilalim niya. Hindi naman pwede ang sasabihin natin dito, ang mali ang presidente. Kasi siya, hindi niya binabastos ang Chinese president. So ang general ang tama, ang mali presidente. You cannot reconcile that. No, it defies logic, Mr. President. what the President does, the executive follows. Tayo sa legislative, pwede tayong mag-comment. Pwede tayong mag-resolution katulad para kung ano ang tama at mali. That's why, Mr. President, I want to know, sino-sinong official ba to? Sa Senate, sa House, sa interest nila. Kasi yung DND, medyo klaro yun. Nakita ko yung mga statements, etc. And yung DND, mismong si SND ang nagsasalita. So in behalf of the President yon. So kung gustong i-correct ng Presidente yon, i-correct niya. Hindi naman spokesman ng Presidente ang nakikipagdebate doon eh. Hindi naman spokesman ng DND. At sagutin man nila, sinabi na ni DND, yun din ang stand niya eh. Eto po, hindi. At yung DND po, despite my agreement or disagreement with the Secretary of National Defense, I haven't seen anyone in the DND come out with caricatures of generals of the opposing side or of the president of the other side. Our generals are officers and gentlemen. Is it too much to ask that yung pagiging officer and gentleman sa AFP, PNP, BJMP ay ganun din sa Coast Guard natin? Is it too much to ask a gentleman from Pampanga? Masyado bang malaking ask yon na, boss, paglaban mo Pilipinas pero wag tayong bastusan?